HDMI VGA AV Adapter Converter, ACETEND 2019 latest 4-in-1 plug-and-play Digtal AV adapter compatible for iPhone X8 8 Plus/7/7 Plus/6/6s/6s Plus/5/5s iPad iPod to Projector HDTV Projector Monitor. Lightning Digital Adapter. The Digital AV adapter come with HDMI, VGA, and AV/3.5mm audio port, fast and stable connect with your TV, HDTV, projector, display with HDMI, VGA, and AV interface. Supporting mirroring of what is displayed on your device screen including apps, presentations, websites, and more to your HDMI-enabled TV, display, projector, or other compatible display in up to 1080p HD, providing ultra-clear visual feast in daily life and work. Multifunctional 4-in-1 HDMI VGA Avenue Adapter. Support YouTube, Hulu Plus, IDMB, QuickFlix, Family on TV, ABC, NBC, Fox, Microsoft Office, and more videos downloaded and saved on your iOS devices for stream. Plug and play, easy to use, no need Wi-Fi, apps, or hotspots. Fast and stable connection, automatic mirroring. Just click the trust option after plugging your iPhone iPad, then the adapter will get started automatically. Please note, 5V1A USB charging cable must be plugged before use. Wide compatibility. Our product compatible with iPhone X/8/8 Plus/7 Plus 7 SIXS Plus SIXS 655s SE5C iPad Mini iPad Pro iPad Air and all the Apple HDMI Lightning adapter. 100% risk-free purchase. If you have any other question, please feel free to contact us, we would solve the problem soonest for you. Support replacement and resent with 24 hours friendly customer service.